I'm going to bang out a super easy meatless recipe, perfect for Meatless Monday. Beanie filling in stuffed peppers. I'm using these big sort of long sweet ones. I'm just splitting them in half and then I'm going to whip out the seeds. Spray with some cooking spray or a little bit of oil. Now the filling that I'm using, chopped tinned tomatoes. I'm using canned chili beans in sauce. So these are a bit like baked beans, but in a spicy chili sauce. Black beans. I want to give my filling a little bit of some substance and help it hold together. So I've cooked a rice and quinoa mix. 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder also going into there. I'm just going to mix these all together. It's a great little recipe for flatters and students because you don't need a lot of equipment and you can use it lots of different ways. So I'm just going to top them off with some grated cheese. I'm just going to pop these into the preheated oven for about 20-25 minutes. Boom! Stuffed peppers. Super easy, meatless meal in under half an hour.